Alcohol is injurious to health, but if it is unavoidable for anyone's lifestyle, then this video will be helpful to minimize the impact of alcohol intake in their life. This video will cover a general impact on alcohol on health. The brand which is being shown here is the representation and no endorsement is being done by this channel. Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching the official health. So guys, ये बॉटल देख आपको समझ ही आया होगा आज हम किस टॉपिक के ऊपर बात करने वाले हैं. सो आई विल टेल यू अबाउट एवरी डिटेल्स अबाउट अल्कोहल और लिकर, जो भी आप कहते हो, उसका बेनिफिट्स क्या है, ड्रॉबैक्स क्या है, क्या आप उसे अपने फिटनेस लाइफस्टाइल में ऐड कर सकते हो, और हाउ विल दिस अफेक्ट इन योर फिटनेस गोल्स. तो इन सब के बारे में हम बात करेंगे इन दिस वीडियो. सो वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड. And if you are new in this channel, hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना वीडियो. तो गाइस, मोरलेस हर कोई ड्रिंक करता है, कोई लिमिट में करता है, कोई आउट ऑफ लिमिट करता है. बट आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट हाउ लिकर इज हार्मफुल फॉर योर हेल्थ, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट इट कॉजेज other health problems and can damage your liver also. तो what I am gonna talk about is how liquor will affect your fitness goal. मतलब आपका जो मसल बिल्डिंग का गोल है, फैट ड्रॉप का गोल है, या फिर फैट लॉस का गोल है, how will liquor affect on them. So basically liquor or alcohol has empty calories in it. मतलब it has no nutrition value at all. So when we intake too much empty calories, it goes to our body and stored as fat. So when this fat goes to our bloodstream and spikes our blood sugar level, also causes diabetic problems and insulin resistance. So liquor is definitely harmful for you, but if you take it in limit, then it is not. मतलब if you take once in a week or twice a week, then it is not harmful for you. Anything you take in limit is not harmful for you. But if you take it out of limit, मतलब if you take 3 or 4 times a week, or if you drink every day or every other day, then it is definitely harmful for you. When you drink alcohol, it goes to our body and stays in our blood, and it takes 2 to 3 days to recover. Again, जब आप फिर से 2 दिन के बाद फिर से ड्रिंक करते हो, then जो आपका गोल है मसल बिल्डिंग या फैट लॉस का, that gets delayed and you will not get your result and you will not achieve your goal. मगर if you drink once in a week or twice a week, then the recovery process starts after 2 to 3 days and you will start getting your result. Now comes the question, how liquor affects our fitness goal and our sex drive. तो liquor makes our body dehydrated. Dehydrated का मतलब होता है lack of water in our body. That's why when you wake up in the next morning, हमें सर पे दर्द रहता है या फिर हैंगओवर चढ़ रहता है, क्योंकि हम अल्कोहल ज़्यादा पीते हैं and water कम. That's why our body gets dehydrated, which is the worst case scenario. Well, if you drink more, it will affect your sex drive. It will reduce the testosterone level from your body. And as you all know, testosterone is the #1 growth hormone for your muscle building and sex drive. So too much drinking will affect your fitness goals and also poor sex drive. For women it is also the same. They will reduce the estrogen level from their body and that will also affect their fitness goals. मतलब जो muscle building और fat loss goal है वो postpone हो जाएगा. Now I will tell you how to drink liquor and maintain your fitness goal parallelly. Well, definitely you should drink but in limit. मान लीजिए आप मंडे से फ्राइडे तक वर्कआउट करते हो with proper diet and exercise, then you can drink 2 to 3 shots maximum on the weekends, not more than that. Suppose you have to attend a occasion or a party or celebration and you have to stay there for 3 to 4 hours maximum day. तो आप क्या करोगे? You will drink slowly and give gap between each drink. तो इस गैप में आप क्या करोगे? You will add water and you will drink at least half liter or 500 ml of water after one drink. तो वाटर क्या करेगा, वाटर विल हेल्प टू फ्लश आउट योर अल्कोहल फ्रॉम योर बॉडी, एंड जो आपको अगले दिन सुबह उठ के जो हेडेक और हैंगओवर रहता है वो नहीं होगा. तो एटलीस्ट ड्रिंक 500 ml of water after one shot and 1 liter of water after 2 shots. So this is the thumb rule. Always maintain this thumb rule. And वाटर हेल्प करता है जो हमारा अंदर जो टॉक्सिन है वो फ्लश आउट करके बाहर निकल देता है. Now if you are overweight, you should stop drinking for at least 1 month, or you can drink after every 15 days, but in limit, because alcohol cannot tolerate your body and which will affect your lifestyle and also your health. अभी हम बात करें what kind of alcohol you can take and how much for your lifestyle. तो विस्की का 1 shot is around 30 ml which contains 70 calories in it. तो 2 shot का हो गया 60 ml which contains 140 calories. But this is only empty calories which stored in our body as fat. तो अगर आप इस आपके ड्रिंक के साथ आइस या फिर वाटर ऐड करते हो then there is no change in calories. But if you add coke or juice in your drink, then the empty calories will gradually increases. But this is not about calories. If you drink every day and go to gym on the other day, you can burn this fat or the empty calories from your body by doing some cardio or some exercise. But जो आपका मसल बिल्डिंग और फैट लॉस का गोल है वो कभी भी अचीव नहीं हो पाएगा. And if you don't drink, then well and good, thumbs up. But if you drink, try to take 60 to 70 ml of any drink, मतलब राम, वोडका, विस्की, जो भी आप खाते हो. लोग कहते हैं कि वाइन बेटर है, हेल्दी है. वैसे गाइस हेल्दी कुछ भी नहीं है, बट यस हेल्दियर देन दिस हार्ड ड्रिंक्स. सो यू कैन टेक 120 ml of wine, and if you drink beer then you can take 330 ml of it, मतलब 1 pint. And guys, always drink detox water on the recovery day because it helps to detoxify the toxicity from our body and also boost our immune system. So guys, this is my complete information about impact of alcohol on fitness and lifestyle. Hope you like this video and don't forget to share your reviews on the comment section. तो तब तक के लिए stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video.